It works. We have done many studies. Believe me, it works. But several things. Number one, you must have the right protective equipment, the right mask. Now, this is the right mask. You see, it has a blue color on the outside because it's waterproof. Then you have a white on the inside, which is absorbent.
Yeah.
So if I cough, it absorbs it. Now, so you're going to wear it like this. The blue on the outside, the white on the inside. You have seen people wearing it like this. Totally wrong, you see. You see people wearing masks, there's only one piece of paper. Those are not for infection control. You can see this here, this tight little thick band here is to show you that you should put it on the top.
Yep.
Why? Because once you wear it, then you squeeze it so that it matches.
You got to pinch the nose, yeah.
You pinch the nose, and then you put it down. Very important because you don't want it to fall like this. If you see someone doing it, say, hey, please, you got to cover your nose. Have you seen doctors doing this? You know, talking to you like this.
Yeah.
This is wrong. The removal is just as important. You've got to listen to this. Because once you wear a mask, you should consider it dirty. Then when you remove, you don't touch it. You remove it such that...
Oh, everything's falling.
You
Be
remove
careful.
it such that it touches the... Oh, sorry. You remove
People
it, don't
need
touch
to
it,
know
and
this.
drop it.
Yeah.
And then do hand hygiene.
这个穿灰色衣服的男的，武汉人，高烧39度，4天，然后在我们医院看发热门诊那一刻，开药没有药，下来退卡发脾气。
你看，摘下口罩咳嗽呢，
故意对着里面咳嗽。
哇，
这种事是不是应该报警呢？
把手上俺们那这个娘缝死来了，那给喊死来了。快过去，让俺们进来的那个，就让俺别那个的，别那个哎他妈那谁的？搁哪找？医院，新人民医院。等等吧。关呀！不进医院啊？好。走。 你又咳嗽了，你从哪儿过来？你是哪儿的？
我老店的。
哎呀，你这会儿你外地口音我都不拉你。干嘛？去过武汉？
刚回来。我刚从哪儿回来，我现在去医院了。
你站一下，不动，站一下，快点，站一下。你要打110吗？中不中？
你打110。
打110不打110可能中？对。 打110不着，对，打110嘛。